Section 2. Why balance the energies? How do harmonic remedies work? Why balance the energies? To balance the energetic body so it is capable to heal itself, or in other words, to optimize the cellular regeneration capacity. We make cancer cells every day, which we are very well capable of eliminating if our energies are well balanced. To bring the meridians and chakras back to their right frequency. To open or strengthen the lymphatics to allow the capacity to eliminate toxins and what is released during a balancing. To correct imbalances. The energetic body of the person being balanced will choose through the Lecher antenna that or those remedy or remedies it needs the most to correct energetic imbalances. To strengthen against or balance any negative energies we are exposed to. How do harmonic remedies work? Bioresonance is a universal principle in energy balancing which allows the energetic body to choose the most adequate products capable to efficiently balance or ease symptoms by means of their electromagnetic vibration. Bioresonance is meant for any therapist or motivated person, no matter his or her specialization, as long as they are willing to study about the harmonic remedies. Certain remedies, like the specific colors, do not require any prior knowledge to apply. Other remedies only require a basic knowledge of their indications and how to apply, while other types of remedies require elaborate studies. It is important that the person wanting to work with harmonic remedies in this way takes his or her time studying the remedies they want to work with and how to apply them. If you do not wish to study these remedies, there is another way of balancing the bioenergies with the Lecher antenna and by means of only color harmonies that does not require this prior knowledge. This way of working is taught in another e-learning course called Dowsing with the Lecher antenna Bioenergy Level 1 and 2 by yours truly, myself, Anne-Marie Delmot. This course is also available on Udemy. The restoration of the energetic channels is very fascinating, but also infinitely complex. It is a huge learning process and requires a good basic knowledge of anatomy and physiology. In the case of an overall balancing of the energies, a balancing of the deeper causes needs to be addressed first before looking at the peripheral symptoms. It is therefore required to execute a full bioenergy reading of the person, which is taught in this course. By using this way of communicating with the energetic body, we allow for a personalized, unique, holistic process. When scanning the different harmonic remedies with the Lecher antenna connected to the person, you are presenting a wide variety of wavelengths or frequencies to the energetic body. When the energetic body recognizes a wavelength that reinforces a weakened emission, they start to communicate and captures it immediately. This form of resonance with the remedy of high vibrational quality will allow the vibrational balancing or reharmonization of the living structures and the restoration of the disturbed energetic channel. Cases. There are several cases in this course in which you will see how one or several sets of harmonic remedies correct, balance the bioenergies, and improve the person's vibration. The remedy or remedies found by means of this method are meant to be complementary to the classical medical treatment the person is undergoing. It is also important that the person consults a pharmacist to see whether the found remedy or remedies do not interact with the medication the person is already taking. This concludes section 2. Why balance the energies? How do harmonic remedies work?